Configuring Authorize Net webhooks is a straightforward process that enables you to receive real-time notifications about events related to your transactions. To get started, you need to have an Authorize Net account and a basic understanding of web development. First, you need to log in to your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here you can create a new webhook by clicking on the Add Webhook button. You will be prompted to enter a name and a URL where the webhook notifications will be sent. The URL should be a publicly accessible endpoint that can handle HTTP post requests. Next, you need to select the events that you want to receive notifications for. Authorize Net supports a wide range of events including payment authorizations, settlements, and refunds. You can choose one or multiple events depending on your business requirements. After selecting the events, you need to configure the webhook settings. You can choose the format of the notification data, either JSON or XML, and specify the authentication method. Authorize Net supports both basic authentication and signature key authentication. Once you have configured the webhook settings, you can test the webhook by sending a test notification. This will help you verify that the webhook is working correctly and that your endpoint is receiving the notifications as expected. Best practices for configuring Authorize Net webhooks include using a secure URL for the webhook endpoint, handling duplicate notifications, and implementing a retry mechanism in case the webhook notification fails. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully configure Authorize Net webhooks and start receiving real-time notifications about your transactions. This will enable you to automate your business processes and improve your overall customer experience.